So friends, we have with us Mr. Ajit Singh, Chairman ACG and President HADSA, who will be addressing the audience now. And I invite Mrs. Manjari Bhalerao, our Vice Principal, Sir Vittaldas Takasi College of Home Science, Autonomous, to introduce Mr. Ajit Singh to the audience. Mrs. Manjari.
Good morning to all the panelists and the participants of today's webinar. I welcome Mr. Ajit Singh on behalf of SVT Parivar. Mr. Ajit Singh is the founder president of the Health Foods and Dietary Supplements Association of India, popularly known as HADSA. Mr. Singh is the chairman of ACG Associate Capsules Private Limited. He heads this company along with his brother, Mr. Jasdeep Singh, and nephew, Mr. Karan Singh. The ACG company has grown to become the second largest in the world. His group is also the largest integrated manufacturer of equipment for oral solid dosage forms, including for nutraceuticals. Mr. Singh has chaired many international conferences and received 4 Lifetime Achievement Awards for his services to the healthcare industry. I again welcome Mr. Singh on behalf of our college and request him to address the participants.
It's a pleasure to be with you this morning. Something very important is happening. The future of students and teachers in the nutritional education area is greatly assured. The world has changed. The world needs protection. The world needs immunity. And immunity comes from nutrition, and nutrition comes from the education your teachers are giving you. They're teaching you how to impart nutrition to the people of the country. Now just imagine the insecurity of another group of students and teachers, those who are in catering colleges or in hospitality, with restaurants and hospital and hotels in disarray and closing down. Can you imagine what they are looking forward to when they graduate compared to the vast potential that we have? And therefore, I'm really happy to be able to address you because you are the people who are going to make the future of health in this country. Now, we know that doctors and nutritionists and the nutraceutical industry work hand in hand. But there is one interesting difference. We need the skill and training and knowledge of doctors when we are sick. And we are sick maybe 10 or 15 days in the year. But we need to protect ourselves against sickness, and that you require every day of the year. And that is where you as a body come in to assure nutrition and to assure health through immunity. In a way, we could almost say, looking at the relative importance and size of both these requirements, that you, my friends, are the doctors of the future. Now, the pharmaceutical industry has gone a long way in India. About half of its entire production is exported around the world to over 200 countries. India has learned how to make pharmaceuticals cheaply of a high standard quality and in bulk quantities, and yet make a profit. I believe the same thing is going to happen to our nutraceutical industry starting right now. Already we see a spate of new startups in the nutraceutical industry using nutritionists. I see about several hundred of new nutraceutical products have been registered during this pandemic, and I therefore see a really, really bright future. Now, in America, the nutraceutical industry by volume is as big as the pharmaceutical industry. I know because my group ACG deals with the entire industry in America. The same is in Europe. There's no reason why the nutraceutical industry using nutritionist talent cannot reach that position. 40% of the medicines, generic medicines prescribed in America by American doctors come from India. So it's really very heartening to see what our future is going to be. Now, I bind you students and I urge you students and teachers to try to bind yourself closely with the nutraceutical industry and that whole domain. And of course, you will tell me, but I'm only a student still. I'm an academic. What can I do right now? Well, just consider the many options you have. Use your imagination and your connections. There are many people in the nutraceutical industry who would welcome you as helpers, as apprentices. So in your spare time or in your holidays, I would say that take a little departure from the world of academics and get into the world of real life and real business for which you are destined in any case. My company, ACG, would be very happy to try to accommodate some of you as people who will help us during the holidays. There's many things we can do for you. Also consider the association called HADSA, which is helping to sponsor this event. The members of HADSA are all in the domain of nutraceuticals. And by taking a greater interest in the affairs of HADSA, you can meet its members and you can play an active role in helping your profession and this industry to go forward. HADSA is the Health and Dietary Supplements Association of India. It is the Indian chapter of the Global International Association, which has 60 chapters around the world, and HADSA represents them and brings information not only to the industry, but I would like also to academics and to teachers on what's happening in the areas of nutrition and the nutraceutical industry around the world. How can HADSA help you? How can you help HADSA? It's only if you reach out a helping hand that you get help yourself. Remember what the President of the United States, the new president, at his inauguration last night said. He said, sometimes you need a helping hand, and sometimes you give a helping hand. And that's the message I think we should take home with us, that let's use HADSA to help us. How can HADSA help us? First of all, HADSA will be glad to put active, young, professional-minded students and teachers onto its committees. And all our committees have got lots of work to do, which include interaction with its members for all the nutraceutical industry. Now look at what an opportunity this gives to students and teachers who otherwise are living in an academic world. You go out into the market when we're able to go out, or you talk on the phone with people who are in the nutraceutical industry. You get to learn about this industry and you get to learn how to make a contribution to them and to get in. Now, I'd like to sort of end by saying that there is a major role that you can play today in the future, and let us count ourselves lucky that we can be aligned to an industry which needs you and which you can make a major contribution. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Thank you, Ajit sir, for gracing this occasion with your presence. And thank you so much for sharing your inspiring thoughts with these young students, young adults. And sir, we surely look forward to working with HADSA. Thank you so much for giving us and our young minds, direction. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.